Hello and welcome to this Scientific Principles video with Elec training. The subject of this video is power. In a previous video we've already established that there is a formula for power which is P equals I times V, or P equals V times I if you prefer to say it that way round. And in this video we're going to look at two more formulae that can be used to calculate power in an electrical circuit. So we've previously said that power is the rate of doing work or expending energy, and therefore electrical power is the rate of doing electrical work or of expenditure of electrical energy. And the unit of power is the watt. And we learnt this formula, P equals VI. And we said that it only applies to DC circuits, that is direct current circuits, where the current flows only in one direction. In AC circuits, alternating current, this formula doesn't strictly apply, but we will learn more about that in future videos. So let's take a look at these other two formulae then. And an interesting thing is that we derive these other power formulae from Ohm's law. I'm going to explain how. It's quite a complicated process, so bear with me. Since Ohm's law is V equals I times R, what we can do is we can substitute the I times R for V in the power equation, and then we get P equals I times R, giving us a new formula which is P equals I squared R. Now that formula works in AC as well as DC, so unlike the first formula, P equals IV only works in DC circuits. This is true in AC and DC, P equals I squared R. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and draw out for you that process that I've just done and see if it makes more sense. So we've got V equals IR, there's your Ohm's law formula. And we're going to take this part, the right hand side of the formula, I times R, we're going to use that. You see, I times R is the same as V. That's what Ohm's law is telling us. They're the same value. So I times R is V. It's the same. So now think about the power formula, P equals IV. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the V. So we're substituting the V. So we're going to get rid of that. And instead we're going to write IR, because according to Ohm's law, IR is the same as V. So we've just substituted it into the power formula. So now we've got P equals I times R. And where we have I times I, that's just the same as saying I squared. And that's why we write it as P equals I squared R, our new formula. Not easy, I know. Let's see if we can follow the same process for the other power formula that has been derived from Ohm's law, and it's this one. In this case we're using Ohm's law, but we're using the format of Ohm's law where I is the subject, so I equals V over R. Still Ohm's law, but I equals V over R. And by substituting the V over R for I in the power equation, we get P equals V over R times V, which is written as P equals V squared over R, and that also applies in both AC and DC circuits. So just to follow the process with me again, if you look at the Ohm's law formula is I equals I equals V over R. That's Ohm's law, and we're going to take that V over R, because that is the same as I. We're going to take that and we're going to drop it into the power formula in place of something else. So power formula was IV, P equals IV. So we're going to take out the I. Let's just remove the I, and it just leaves us with a V, but we're going to add in, instead of I, we're going to add in V over R. And of course, V times V over R, the V times V becomes V squared. So it's simply V squared over R. Now the good news is that although that's very complicated how you get to those formulae. You don't really need to remember how we get there. I just tried to show you so that you can get a slightly deeper understanding of it. But the thing you do have to remember is the formula itself. So you'll need to memorize P equals I squared R, and you'll need to memorize P equals V squared over R. So to summarize, we now have three formulae for power, and these formulae are the following. P equals VI, and remember that only applies in DC circuits. P equals I squared R, that applies in AC and DC circuits. And P equals V squared over R, and that also applies in AC and DC circuits. So all that remains for me at this stage is to say thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you next time.